What's up everybody? So I finally got some good news because the latest version of WhatsApp finally allows for you to change the font size by pressing Control plus the plus sign or the minus sign, or you can also press Control and scroll with your mouse wheel up or down. And in order to do this, you have to keep in mind that you have to get your WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store. So make sure that your version of WhatsApp is downloaded from the Microsoft Store and not from anywhere else other than that in order for it to work. So just go to your Microsoft Store and there look for WhatsApp. So make sure you've downloaded it from the Microsoft Store. Mine is already installed, so I don't need to download it anymore. I'm just gonna click open and let me show you that I have the latest version. So right now my version is version 2.2327.6.0. Make sure you have the latest version during the time that you watch this video in order for this to work. And in order for it to work as well, in case it's still not working even though you have the latest version of WhatsApp, just press your Windows button and type in updates and check for updates. Make sure you have the latest updates from Microsoft as well installed in order for it to work. And once you have the latest version and you've also made sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp on the Microsoft Store, and you can now use your mouse wheel to change the size of your font by pressing Control and then simultaneously scrolling with your mouse down to decrease the size of the font, or your mouse up to increase the size of the font. Alternatively, if you're on your keyboard, you can also just press Control and then press on the minus sign or the plus sign. I found that this works for me whether I use it on the numerical keypad or the normal keypad, so it'll work on both sides. So yeah, it's pretty much it. It's that easy. So like and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this. Ask me any question that you want to ask in the comments down below, or send me a private message and I will try and answer as best as I can. Till next time, thanks for watching and peace.